Learn English. Hello, everybody. Here are the two words for today. Number one, I will call you on my... Correct. Number two, what do you do every night? Number one, please listen and write this in your notebook. Jennifer has a nice phone. Jennifer has a nice phone. Phone. The PH sounds like an F. The old word is a telephone. Now we can make a flashcard for phone. Please make a card like this. Write phone up here in the top left corner. P-H-O-N-E. Down here, N1, V2. N1 means noun, level 1. And over here the number, 129 out of 200. Now I will show you the IPA. Please write the IPA up here in the top right corner. The red part sounds like O. Fo. Phone. Number two, please listen and write this in your notebook. My mom and I eat dinner together. My mom and I eat dinner together. Eat dinner. Dinner is a meal people eat, usually at about 6 or 7 p.m. Now we can make a flashcard for eat dinner. Please make a card like this. Write to eat dinner up here in the top left corner. Down here, DA1. This means daily activity, level 1. And over here the number 9 out of 30. Now I will show you the IPA. Please write the IPA up here in the top right corner. E. Eat. Dinner. Eat dinner. Game over. You did very well today. Today we learned phone. How do you spell phone? P-H-O-N-E. Very nice. And what do you eat every night? Breakfast, lunch, or dinner? Correct. Dinner is 6 p.m. or later. And if you are high level, here are the level 2 words. Can you say number 1? Hammer. Yeah, this is a tool. Bang, bang. Number 2, Jennifer is a member in this club. Number 3, too. Yeah, that has 2 meanings. To pick an apple, and also it means to choose. Today is Sunday, July 13th. If you are new, welcome. This is a complete 2-year course. It's rotating, so you can join anytime. Please write your language on the other side of the card. My name is Vinny from Canada. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.